to All About. Today we're going to take a look at another beautiful Copic marker. We're going to underpaint it, blend it, and we're also going to match it with its closest Prismacolor pencil. I'm Elena from violetaink.com, and we carry Copic markers, the sketch series, ink refills, and the nib replacement. Thank you. We're starting with a fence, and then we flick away with Y08. On top of it, we're gonna go with Y06, and then on top of them both is gonna be Y04. BV000 is a light lilac color, a blue violet from the blue violet family, and it is going to desaturate Y08. You can see it right away. It doesn't take much time. And this is the bonus combination. The same underpainting, BV000, then Y08, Y06, and then at the end, I'm going to be using YG21. I thought this would be a good combination when you're coloring flowers, and at the end of the flower, there's a little bit of green on the petal. Now the staining test, it did surprise me because Y08 is a very wimpy color, and it did not move. The colorless blender would not move it. Prismacolor Pencil match, the Jasmine is the first one that I tried. I did like it. It's just more on the creamy kind of side, creamy kind of color. Canary Yellow PC916 would be my favorite from the two of them, but it's pretty much whichever you prefer. What kind of, do you want it more warm or do you want it more cooler? The cooler will be Canary Yellow. So let's start coloring the butterfly. The idea of the butterfly, even though it's a little bit repetitive, you know, just one color on top of the other, is for you to be able to see all together what the natural family combination will do. The underpainted one, and then the bonus combination is just a little change, is just a little bit more of BV000, and it will make a big difference. Everything I color, I underpaint. Regardless of what it is, I always underpaint. And the bonus combination is gonna give you just a little bit of a difference between the two, and also you're gonna be able to see it underpainted. Now, a little tip: if you purchase the Prismacolor pencils, the big sets, we at the store have it open stock. That means that if you run out of one, or if you got the set that was, I think, 80 Prismacolor pencils or something, and you are missing one of them, one that you really need, you can go to our website and we have them open stock. This is the last part, the underpainted, for the bonus combination. The reaction is right away. You don't see that in every single one of the underpainting, but on this one you see it because it's so wimpy. And at the end we're doing YG21. The staining test, again, I'm very surprised. It did not move. It moved a little bit, not much. The natural family combination is Y08, Y06, and Y04. We're underpainting with BV000, and the bonus combination is Y08, Y06, and YG21. In the description box, you will find links to violetaink.com to follow Vanilla Art's Undercover series and get more combinations every week, to our social media, to the paper that I use in this series. I'm going to be using the same paper in every single one of the videos, and it's called Cryogen Iridescent Metallic. This is a very cardstock. It's a cardstock that is shimmery. You will love it for Copics. Also, you will find the free download for the All About sheets. There's 2 of these sheets and, actually templates on every sheet. And then you can just make your own, take a picture, upload it to your social media, and tag us so we can see it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next week.